Hello everyone, today I am here to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Learning Environmental Studies at Elementary Level. The cover of this book is very nice. It's a DLED 505 code book. It's an iOS book. It's a bestseller as per the new syllabus pattern of Vinod Publications. Let's have a quick review of this book. It's a Hindi medium. It's in Hindi medium of Vinod Publications. It's the most trusted publishing firm of India. So unit wise syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1, importance of teaching learning of EVS at primary level. You can check this out. Unit 2, curriculum and pedagogy of EVS. Unit 3, assessment, reporting and remedial in EVS. Then contents are mentioned. You can check them out. Also, another good thing about this book is that the content, the syllabus is mentioned both English and Hindi language, so that both kind of readers can read. If you are easy, if English reading can suit you, you can also buy this book because the things are highlighted in both kind of languages. So you can check out each particular topic. Things are there. Then contents are also there. And after contents, very short answer question, model test part 1, model test part 2 is given. You can go to any particular page and check that whether the page are accurate or not. For example, page 22, curriculum and pedagogy of EVS should be there. Let's see page 22. Page 22, curriculum and pedagogy of EVS is there, and topic is highlighted in both English language and Hindi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers. You can check out also like model test paper part 1, 97 page 2 till 108 page, part 1. Then part 2 is also there till 120 page. Let's check this one also, 97 page. Model test paper part 1. You can check. Yes, MCQ with answers, everything given in detail. This is a highly remarkable book. In Hindi medium, everything discussed in detail. It's a very good book. I highly recommend this one. MCQs are given in detail. And I highly recommend this book. In the back side of the book, NIOS textbooks and guest papers are also given of best-selling DLED Vinod Publication. You can check them out also. Fully solved, and price of the book is just rupees 174.50 rupees only. You can buy it on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also go to any available bookstore nearby your location and buy this book at 174.50 rupees only, whichever has NIOS books. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other important books of Vinod Publications and buy it. You can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. You can also email them if you have any query at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and if you have any complaint regarding any book or this book, you can go to their helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com, and they will definitely sort out your problem within just few minutes. So 174.50 is a very reasonable price for this book. It's available buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218 or buy it from bookstore nearby your location. It's your choice. 174.50 is a very reasonable price for this learning environmental studies at environmental level DLED 505 code book, NIOS Hindi medium, bestseller, new syllabus pattern of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. I highly recommend this book. Must buy this one. Thank you so much.